It is such an honor to be in Montenegro on this historic day of the partnership between the United States and Montenegro. Thank you, Deputy Prime Minister Pajang, for hosting me and for welcoming Peace Corps into Montenegro. The United States considers Montenegro a friend, a partner, and an ally. This alliance must have, at its foundation, strong people-to-people ties. As you know, President Kennedy established the Peace Corps in 1961 at a people-to-people catalyst for grassroots community development and cultural exchange. Peace Corps has 3 goals here in Montenegro: to help Montenegro meet its need for trained men and women, to promote a better understanding of Americans, and to help Americans develop a deeper appreciation and understanding of Montenegro and Montenegrin culture. We plan to begin our work here in Montenegro with a first group of 12 volunteers starting in 2020, next year, about 1 year from now. We envision these volunteers will teach English and support youth leadership in 3 municipalities. We are working closely with the Montenegrin government to identify these communities now. I want to see our volunteers working closely with people across Montenegro. Today is an exciting moment because the assignment of Peace Corps volunteers in Montenegro as part of the Peace Corps Albania program represents a groundbreaking development for Peace Corps. We will initiate a program based on a flexible, collaborative model, taking advantage of our established program in Albania. Our Peace Corps team in Albania will provide support and training for volunteers working here in Montenegro. A partnership like this takes a great deal of collaboration. This would not be possible if it were not for the leadership of the U.S. Embassy here in Montenegro, including Ambassador Jody Ranki and Deputy Chief of Mission Judy Kui. I would also like to acknowledge the efforts of former Ambassador Juhara. Public Affairs Officer Jeff Adler and Public Affairs Assistant Elena Bochin have been critical over the course of the past 14 months as they have championed this effort and done some of the heaviest lifting to ensure we reached this important juncture. Thank you very much to all of the U.S. Embassy team. I also want to thank all our partners in Montenegro, especially the staff of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the team in Peace Corps Albania who have helped to bring this unique program to life. In particular, I want to recognize the leadership and vision of the government of Montenegro. Today's signing is a testament to the close partnership between the United States and Montenegro, and a testament to our commitment to a common vision of a brighter future for Montenegro and its neighbors in Western Balkans. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.